Little Willies Plumbing Service. Bilbo works for Little Willies Plumbing Service. You can't fix it, we throw it out the window. At Little Willies Plumbing Service. I don't like dogs. He told Jay, I don't like dogs. I ain't paying you to play with the dog. It's on the house. Sparking. Buck 2 says Little Willies Plumbing Service. From Gray's Lake, opened up in 1995. He's a owned company. Little Willies Plumbing Service. It's a plumbing company in Chicago. I'm not paying you to play with the dog, 1-2. And then you can fix it's on the house. Little Willies Plumbing Service. Little Willies Plumbing Service. Plumbing. They fix the water heater. I'm afraid of dogs. Buck 2 says, I'm not paying you to play with the dog. It's on the house, jumping the fence. Sparky says, Little Willie's Plumbing Service. Little Willie's Plumbing Service in Gray's Lake, Illinois. Opened up in 1995. Little Willie's Plumbing Service. It's a plumbing company. They do plumbing and water heating and sewage. They fix it. I don't like dogs, Buck 2 says. I ain't paying you to play with the dog. Go back to work, you lazy bum. I ain't. Little Willie's Plumbing Service. If you can't fix it, we toss it out. Like yesterday's garbage. Little Willie's Plumbing Service. 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 It's a company in Gray's Lake, Illinois. Little Willie's Plumbing Service.